Hi, I'm Sven Diesens, Head of Fluid Technology at Kendrion.
I'm Florian Falk, Product Manager for Pressure Regulators at Kendrion.
In our conversations with customers in the medical device industry, we see one thing again and again: requirements continue to increase. Standards and requirements such as MDR, DIN and ISO 15001, DIN and ISO 10993, and DIN and ISO 18562 make the selection and qualification of suitable components significantly more complex.
This is exactly where we come in with the Pure Flow Pressure Regulator 48.3. It was developed for low flow rates, sensitive applications where compact integration, reliable performance, and material compliance are essential. The pressure regulator is based on Kendrion's proven technology and has been further developed for applications in medical technology, analytics, and dental technology. Thanks to its compact 30 by 30 mm footprint and standard flange interface, the pressure regulator is perfectly suited for new applications, while also enabling quick and easy integration into existing systems. It is suitable, among other things, for non-aggressive media, inert gases, oxygen, and medical compressed air.
The Pure Flow Pressure Regulator 48.3 combines technical performance, a compact design, and an economical choice of materials, tailored to the requirements of sensitive applications. Are you planning a new device? Or are you evaluating an alternative for an existing system? Get in touch with us.